Hey everybody, it's the first Wednesday of the month, and that means we're going out to In-N-Out Burger to check out all the VWs. And I'm bringing you with me, so let's go.
VW Live. What's up? Hey, Matt Jackson.
But it's
Welcome to VW Life. What's this?
This is a 1970 VW convertible.
Is it for sale?
Always, everything is for sale. If you have, you can negotiate with me.
Oh, it's really nice, Charlie.
Yeah, good job.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's a 1600 1970 VW Beetle.
Beautiful red.
What do you have there?
Oh, that thing.
What is
oh my
it?
gosh. Oh, sorry. Wow, that's wonderful.
That's amazing. The Germans invented that. The things you learn every day.
You know what? Give me this thing.
Remind you.
How in the world did I get involved in this?
Remind you, beautiful.
That's what I want to know. Just because they make fun of me talking, okay?
What does he say?
Remind you, beautiful haunts. Subscribe below.
You know what? I am so lucky to have friends like this. That's all I got to say.
Friends like
Hey,
this.
VW Lifers, thank you guys for being with us tonight. It's a low-key night here at First Wednesday at the old In-N-Out. But you know what's a lot of fun? The weather's perfect, and for the first time in like 3 months, we didn't have rain out here tonight, so that's nice.
Well, it went from 80% to nothing.
I know.
So everybody was a little scared.
It's really good. It's been a good time, huh, Barry?
It's exactly right. I'm glad. I'm glad that makes you so happy.
That cracks me up. I like OG Tommy D. So we just appreciate you guys, as always, watching, and thank you for subscribing, and please make sure you do tell your friends and tell your aunts and everybody else out there, and hit the like button, make comments, and just keep on watching, and we're going to keep bringing you guys, man, we have some amazing events coming up, and so just want you guys to keep watching, because we do really appreciate all the comments and everything that y'all give to us, so thank you so much, everybody.